It's quite scary to be sitting on your own for over a year and writing, imagining all of this, and then it suddenly comes to life. It's scary, exciting, unexpected.
Working with the all-ladies chorus on this, I think it's got a real sense of sisterhood, if you like, and camaraderie.
They're all fantastic, they're all so unique, and that's what we want to celebrate.
I have to say, I thought the dress rehearsal was completely amazing. The energy is infectious. There's a really wonderful atmosphere in a room. And I think maybe it's got something to do with the fact that this has been an all-female cast, company, creative team. There's been a real can-do attitude.
It sounds rich, and it sounds expressive, and it sounds varied. And the piece combines dialogue and song and ensembles and big dance scenes as well.
Nobody's heard this before. It feels like the energy is on the ceiling for the whole thing. What's really important is that we manage the bits that are more intimate and more serious. We don't forget through the comedy and the storytelling of the comedy, the gravitas of the reality of this true story.
The cat and the mouse scene has really captured that sort of Pall Mall club element that we wanted to convey. These misogynistic politicians and men and the kind of things they said about women at that time. But we've done it in a very satirical, humorous way.
There was a scene which I didn't quite know how to write or what to write. What can you write about feminist magazine? Then I thought, okay, while creating these ideas, they are drinking champagne, and presumably they're in bed. And I thought, as they get more and more tipsy, the music can become more and more klezmer-like, and suddenly there are this drunken clarinet and a sliding trombone. And then I had an idea that Margaret could play a tambourine. I was so pleased and amused because it just came to life as I thought, and even more funny.
I imagine and I hope that Margaret would be very pleased with what we've done. What I think we have tried to do is capture her essence, her fun, her daring, her bravery, her indomitable spirit, and I hope that that will come across, and I hope for that reason she would be proud of what we've done.
I think she would have thought it was awesome. I know she would have done.